Are you angry? Have you failed in your life? Are you hiding in your room? Adopt the mindset of an elephant. Elephants are amazing animals that teach us the importance of unity, memory, and strength. They move gracefully even though they are very big, showing that true strength can be gentle. Elephants remember everything, the paths they walk, the happy moments, and the sad times. They know that life is a mix of good and bad, and they accept both. Elephants live in close groups called herds. They find comfort and strength by staying together. When one elephant is in trouble, the whole herd helps out. This shows us that real strength comes from supporting each other. Elephants teach us that we are never alone if we help one another. Elephants have strong hearts. They face challenges bravely, teaching us that we can do the same. No matter how hard things get, elephants stand tall and face their problems. Their strength comes from their strong bonds with each other. They remind us that we can overcome difficulties with courage and determination. Let's learn from elephants. Let's value our memories and the connections we have with others. Let's find the courage to move forward with kindness and wisdom. By thinking like elephants, we can handle life's ups and downs with grace and strength. We can believe in the power of being together. In a world that often values independence, elephants show us the power of working together. They teach us that asking for help and offering support are signs of true strength. As we go through life, let's remember the lessons of the elephants. Let's remember that our experiences shape us and that our connections with others give us strength. By adopting the elephant mindset, we can face challenges with resilience, appreciate our memories, and build a community that supports each other. This way, we can navigate life's journey with grace, strength, and the belief in unity and togetherness. If you enjoyed this message, please subscribe to my channel Nightweb for more motivational speeches, quotes, and life success tips. Together, we can find strength and inspiration in each other.